honestly, I can't believe it because you're getting the bed and the mattress at 19,950, and I think we're going to take this home with us.
Yeah, it's a beautiful deal. In fact, just the thing that we were looking for actually.
We loved the customize your sofa section over here. We got to explore so many types of sofas. I had no idea they existed, and then also choose from the upholstery. So I think it just worked out beautifully for the both of us.
It's been great. I did come with a shopping list, but seeing all the offers, I'm going to splurge in.
I quite like the range that you have in the cutleries and the murals and also the furniture kind of stuff.
I love the gold collection, especially the brass collection. They were very classy. I'm sure I'll go with my entire room. And I also like the cups and the prints on it. Colors are really vibrant and very lively. And I got curtains which were for $7.99.
Love the bedsheet collection. There's quite a bit of variety going on over there.
So we are moving into a new house and we were just looking at finalizing a modular kitchen.
Wasn't actually in our budget, but with the 50% off and the kitchen appliances for free, I think we'll buy it right away.
I'll be buying whatever she asked me to.
I just walked into Home Center store and I found like it was on sale. I was actually looking for dessert plates for my party tonight. Look at these cute little ones. I'm so excited. I think I'm going to find a real big loot today in this sale today.
I feel that people should come and visit because that's a different experience which you don't get in online.
So our experience today at the sale has been fantastic. We actually had made a wish list, but coming in after seeing the sales that are going around over here, we've actually doubled it now.
Yeah, I think we're going to be here all day.
Yeah.
So the sale has indeed given us a lot of options and amazing stuff.
Otherwise also I visit here because you have variety of ranges.
Trendy and fashionable.
Definitely worth the buck that it claims to be.
We actually got to know about this bed with the SMS that they sent us.
It's my cousin's wedding, so I'm buying a lot of gifts and I got more than what I was expecting to buy, so it was wonderful.
The experience is amazing.
You must come and check it out before the sale ends.
Sale or no sale, I love Home Center.